Hello, Chef here. So today we are taking the Brownie test. I often give this test to my students to see who's the sharpest one in class or who knows their stuff. So there's two brownies there. They're very different. They're both very good. I'm going to give you a clue. There's vanilla in both of them, and the winner who can tell me all of the ingredients to either this brownie or this brownie will get a free bottle of vanilla. That's all you got to do. List the ingredients in a comment below, and we'll see if we've got any winners out there. It's good to be winning. Get cooking and have a great day.